Hi, Wes Lee with your Mesonet Weather Report. What great weather we got to experience for the first week of September. Fall-like temperatures and some much-needed rain for some of the driest parts of the state. As of Thursday morning, the 5-day rain totals came in with some impressive numbers, with rain chances continuing through the week. The Byers Station topped the list with almost 9 inches of rain. Most of this fell on September 1st with some incredibly hard downpours. Rainfall rates peaked at Byers with 4.68 inches per hour, according to Mesonet data. Other areas in south central and southeastern counties also received 6 to 8 inches of water, as indicated by the orange and red colors on this map. Rain in the southwest, such as the 2.22 inches at Altus, will help out tremendously with dryland cotton crops in those areas. Soil moisture across the southern half of the state showed some great improvement for the week. The green colors on this 10-inch fractional water index map from Wednesday highlight the improving areas. The brown areas show the few areas that missed the rains and experienced additional drying. Wet conditions may continue for the state at least for a while longer. The National Weather Service forecasts for the upcoming week show a lot of green, indicating a higher than normal chance of rain. Now here is Gary with the latest drought map.
Thanks, Wes, and good morning, everyone. Well, with all the rain that Wes had mentioned we got over the past week, we definitely should have had some changes on the drought monitor map. Let's take a look at the newest map and see where we are. Well, as you can see, we have eliminated almost all of the dry weather across the eastern half, actually eastern 2/3 of the state. We still have that persistent drought area across southwest Oklahoma, up into the northwest, and in the western panhandle. So while we have had some improvements, that drought is still there. We have had a long period of lack of precipitation in that region, so we want to wait maybe another week, see if we get another reinforcing rainfall event before we start to improve it. As Wes mentioned, we have increased odds of above normal precipitation next week, but we also see a big pattern change with a lot of cooler weather coming down. This is the same outlook for next week from the Climate Prediction Center for temperature, and we see greatly increased odds of below normal temperatures for next week, starting in midweek really, as that front starts to come through and we start to get some more of that Canadian air down into the southern plains. Now, for the Climate Prediction Center's drought outlook for September, they perceive the western parts of the state to see drought relief by the end of the month. However, you go out into the panhandle, they expect that drought to persist or intensify. Now, that area in southwest Oklahoma, they see drought removal in some areas and improvement in other areas. So there might still be some drought left according to their forecast or outlook, but there will still be some drought there and possibly removal in that region. So with the previous week, we really saw some decent rainfalls, had a chance to eradicate a lot of that drought, but now we need some reinforcing rainfall to really get the eraser out. That's it for this time. We'll see you next time for the Mesonet Weather Report.